Patrick at Pals, and Jim is working on changing the rear shocks out on the Buick. And to do that, he's actually using a transmission jack. Why do you need a transmission jack, Jim?
Well, these have a spring on here, and I have to either put it down on a jack stand or put it up here where I can work on it at a decent level and pick it up to pull the strut up where it needs to be to line up the holes.
And you could never compress that with your hands and your arms. That's just too much. So this machine or lift will lift it up and put it into the hole and align it. Now, folks, just think if you were trying to do this in your driveway. You know, it's not 1985 anymore. You've got to have the right equipment to do these jobs. Even simple things like changing shocks take specialized equipment. See you soon.